Emre Asai Asubium, Emre Asai Asubium, say yadi midfield action no, edi ebre munyina. Munyina chi eba program yi eso. Yamachini, imobia kwaba. Agudi munsem papa. Na de abenu huda Saudi video to Kesben 93.3 na fe ohwe live Kesben television babia yenhwe da no pay yababa no ede ebramwe fufuro ebae ede ebekam ho ene de yentima mabam enra ni nyina no yewa modeni aye ho adwuma ede amamo messages no lines na hwa na momfamfa emre 0507168557 and no SMS line no 0507168557 sanso na mo amode fa WhatsApp near 0244263902 0244263902 and then WhatsApp line no which me the videos and so far ede abrain Facebook mo share live on Facebook near facebook.com/KesbenFM YouTube near youtube.com/KesbenTV Tony Montana Mose amamfo bi se Facebook on beso mo share bibia live na omo ehwe Newton titru ne diagrams so se hwan na no ye no tactics the informations ahodo matches ahodo ebaso mo ambeso mo hwe sa videos no any illustrations ahodo oye no Tony he na say oko
awodu na 8 hour oko Facebook search for Kesben Sports.
Okay,
Kesben Sports on Facebook and I say Kesben FM, Kesben News and Kesben TV into a 4 baby I could be wait me I enjoy program no.
Okay,
into Kesben Sports.
Okay,
and I say Kesben FM, Kesben News and I say Kesben TV ni no on Facebook bia no o log in I'll bet me ahwe program you live.
All right. Your social handle here at Kesben Sports M with my live or Twitter or Sanso and I with my download to Kesben FM app no na honso with me ashare na with here live. E dey na ababo no foforo I dey bremum. You be entertaining be 3-4 questions. Friday na your mama busa questions ahodo but say you know enya mai kra no Tony ana man for some of the questions be gumo titru abrante Newton on the questions ahodo mbuza no na fi biso e command came so I don't know why
and I feeling pa
okay.
Timo Werner. Okay, I came see Chideni Trimuno.
So
I'm a Chelsea fan, senior hope.
Oh, okay.
And I enjoy no.
More enjoying now. Yeah. Well, I don't know.
And also for me,
be fun there. So I'm on for Bubusa and December Kwana Minubi and maybe I'll do Befa. Franco Naru Kofi Achampon Achi Newton Latte with me Afreno the King with me Afreno Marijata Sanso and Andy Kem na Andy me wonsamba kwa na menu busano and na mekoto se nkwala menu bi gina ka no je tinye ndi oba obapo mo de so yi anu de Montana de Tony
Godfather
enje u jacket im ka sen ko yeni kakra na nka now Tony
I want you
as a word
oh
we say ka fako masakarim ho asonso
oh there be enye no
na even
we for cry
why for
aye we say doors no go
okay to just say
I'm good to go
okay all right can inside kakra can inside why did you can inside we read inside no Yanko.
Well, remember so ya metie for any ahefo akwa ba Emra Kesben FM any Kesben TV. Na yentu fa ne hwen sama ACC or amama so enshama no sana se emfamfri ekutukbo anasa boxing on the 12th of September. Los Angeles, California, and an exhibition box in Ebetimi Akosenon, Mike Tyson at age 54 on RJ Roy Jones Jr. bout no, and I saw Ebetimi Akosena pay-per-view over source subscriber now for Timmy Webby, England. And I saw we be so US I'm England Quadia just so to £39 no team I subscribe on the camera now what me enjoy Mike Tyson and Roy Jones Jr. about and I so a bit me cost and I say I'm $49 a month I'm so US Nibia and so at me I cost come apart young and so soccer yakoso can so young ram LPS yomo and so share na ikadi agrantee interview beside say and cry secular in Peloton and name omo mienu omo entem engo wape ena Icardi dismisses sa reporter enam yem sa 2 players omonka osinya no kweda na sa 2 players omo a great teammate and I'm almost on PSG. Result be amopenon and enso etimi koye we ensma your favorite striker Marc Icardi and so etimi ere atuga Enradan Inter Milan eche Napoli esho makami no Napoli for enso entimi anti after game no and Antonio Conte eche me say oh aso join Inter no expectation is so much a sense tema na okochi Juve obo ema Juventus so etimi eje couple of victories into oba Inter no aso be so no so betimi ede Inter Milan enso etimi age Scudetto na osinense no mo enso ebetimi aba much stronger na yakwa Atlanta for so aso ya and not from a go down and Atlanta I better share Palmer come in one. I'm a Palmer and so a team Mubako. Now after the game, and a Gian Piero Gasperini informal Jano and so am I at this own. I'm saying the club in Ebo Macha. Almost struggle some results from a person say Joseph Elechich or Onya Villa Wakopra and no animal bedding. I'm all your team, not all superstars around. Struggle kakra and they say Bian I'm wako PSG ne game anya available na say Mbappe enso anyho na unko Inter Milan a bad game pass Lukaku enso anya available omo enso ebetimi nya resource omo enso pe o 6-0 Ronaldo any Paulo Dybala so omo April Juventus omo nya say no muteni biem enti the talisman and Joseph Elechicha ono enso akọ prenti ama Atlanta for bomacha omo enso ebreye papa David Silva after 10 years of born at the Man City said the league well team up on the last game you are trying Champions League and Man City ebe team abo 6-0 and there not 10 years we born at the Man City no enso every Man City omo enso eboboko no enso at the near chamber before yanti and they said SS Lazio mo any age David Silva ho a omo enya Silva eba Lazio team na enso ebetimi abo sense next year Lazio club a omo enya slota Champions League no omo enso ebebobi na yeda so ewo Inter Milan Juventus any team sa omo enso sira won sense my fans here say Carlo Ancelotti ono so experienced coach oko Everton ono enso ne manjom dey ba enso ene say ope striker na striker no pobia oh so much experience obetimi ama Everton for enya goals omo enso pentisiri omo leading goal scorer ayechiro Immobile ene ne abra Carlo Ancelotti person fa Immobile Emma striker no etime bobo edema Everton omo enso club no for next season now Yeremun so into question yakra thereby and say Hernan Crespo former Argentina striker no and so Marcelo Bielsa Basso so what team abwan ama Leeds United and so enya promotional say England na omo top flight league no omo enso ebo nano and Hernan Crespo say I'm a Bielsa why in Spanish so much in China there on also there so and so betimi aba England and the coaching career no ono enso etimi ashase because in 2002 World Cup across Japan Korea no on a coach enso etimi adwuma wa Argentina say coach no team abwa Emma listen so eba England almost Premier League and enso ayasem de pa Karim Benzema Real Madrid almost striker na ye hu so number 9 and also number 10 say or number 7 and also number 11 baby Benzema team ever draw ever je ball let the ball enso kwa anima o creative ono enso esanso ehye 6-0 ekoye pa edma Benzema o se ade ba ko a okoda odwene ho pa so betim awini Ballon d'Or nemom onye obsessed se chinchira nchia before Sabah return Ballon d'Or no also no enso etimeji bi san se bema Champions League wajima ko 4 nemom FIFA Club World Cup senior national team no enya dey of France team agibi because 28 na ko World Cup no and I'm only player of colleague in 10 nya dey Mathieu Vabo na won sense na ma akonya se ko World Cup ni bi na ono ho Sawan team anchor 2018 World Cup anchor World Cup ni be no so own only there 4 Champions League na so ne bo on for 4 Champions League trophies no anchor exchange for World Cup no can say they are content with CL Champions League trophies then sa enso team account yakwa Barca for enso aso ya dia ba and say so enya offer say send age no kwa na ekwa at HE3 dia ba and say Major League Soccer oko USA early class na start yan omo enso HS Luis Suarez ono enso ebon Edema Barca and Barca team started say one prepare on the 8th of August and Champions second leg no and enso betimi akwaso Barca and Napoli be first leg no 1-1 Naples nyame adoma Camp Nou and return leg no betimi abaso and Barca for training Osman Dembele Mosquito which me by a good news here pa Clement Lenglen and Antoine Griezmann one team and feature my last match Barca Elusu to Sasuna no say 3 players here available and the Barca training session no am enso etim ekobi say PSG focus so enso epe left back say contact Real Madrid for Sergio Reguilon I'm left back now enso etim ekolo with Sevilla no say PSG nya brand enso nya Sergio Reguilon enso epe ye pa na me aduma next season English Premier League no upper ball ebe use no tuma na ena Marcus Rashford echo BT Sports studio and opa ball no tuma said on live our Kesben television so and I said Facebook Kesben FM any other sites about me enjoy program boy you see for next season nation live and so our Kesben TV so board on white na designer who do be play enso eguma officially Premier League logo no and enso eta born one kama pa a white dominate and a black and a red kakra and so a baby man any ball next season England league no and so a bit maybe so another and a Rashford and so 18 pound to my not just Lingard and also only 1 goal Manchester on my last day and no team any goal while Leicester come in Leicester City and team anti the and they say Manchester Fonya Everton just Lingard and my classmates enso actual muti yate se Roma enya no mope Newcastle and Borussia Mönchengladbach so clubs enso etim show interest and enso ho na yakwa Denmark assistant coach Peter Duan enso catch Manchester for say Manchester for akwafa Joshua King football for kebetim abo ye pose akwa nya lentete with Manchester United anya den kra so betim adapt it quickly na run na Manchester star no enso etime for say the club no eco championship ne bo no mpo ebema eswat Manchester phone call na omokofa Joshua Ken Emra ebesi akan enso emfa momo say Manchester for advertise so mo epobi amane na yedwuma na nipa kro mo penon Ayopia obetimi analyze Manchester for omo target omo players person the bar any players omo enso person mo kwase so start here omo enso advertise especially omo goalkeeping department omo epoba obetimi access goalkeeper we betimi aboa anase we ba ono enso entimi mu a say akonya no enso at the hard my qualification no fan kwa dia onso betimi aba Manchester Jumeko no go so watimi adwane kama Saturday on August 1 and English FA Cup the grand finale so ebetime Chelsea and Arsenal say Frank Lampard also down that selection akwakohe problem e dia mano say William on start and say William and so in free bench say Frank Lampard go so ono enso edia bobo lineup on Arsenal for and so ebe share no Saturday wa English FA Cup final no and so ebetime akoso na Chelsea new boy Timo Werner and Antonio Rudiger and serve as agent omo enso dada Kai Havertz and so I'm ebetimi every German league no and so be see etimi edi ama Chelsea omo enso bokwa sa two players converse Kai said the best team in England Chelsea to Kai Havertz on your first na fe ono enso me see akan enso inform na Alisson Becker Liverpool number 1 was say Adjumaden baso body na techre why adwumaden ye pa entini dream so aba Liverpool ne mo person achieve na bie ni ho a amesen oba waje league waje Champions League waje FIFA Club World Cup ene ma bebre no enso etimi aja Alisson Becker se bia enso ekoye dia man sajo dem di twatwo refresh ha Arsenal for so nya na omo enso pentimi kala teta omo enso abarema enye fedi agokra.
Okay, Montana Tony
award winner.
Yeah. Who was in your Busak? I make you an antentem nafi and twazo. Pacho mini bibia.
I had a watch them.
Who's so Mickey? Ade.
Only me body bia.
On a foul feed over.
Yeah.
Okay. The meme catcher was a can be trainer. Who's no tell me?
Oh, there be minstrel.
Okay, can be trainer.
Come here, dear.
Negative.
I own dear Sampa.
No.
Aye. And then more in your no any dear papa and dear born.
Ibaqua or ya in ye. I won't pay.
Only straightforward.
Only straightforward.
Yeah.
And this will be any only straightforward. The next one. Be any making it straightforward. Then tell me time no call.
You see Steven.
Why we never about your call. Let me handle. Boss that say.
Namia dumna so e
nyankopon do bia iboko na kunkum onim ja
wo say
relax e do kunkum onim ja
men kunkum en wa se menya ade ma ya ade na bia na saso de bi ka ho na ma me di yawo
no gzem so
Oh,
I know.
Okay, say me too. My two.
I know.
I didn't know say me 3.
Minimum with my.
Until you say me come back to 0.
Okudonsuru. Minimum with my.
No.
All right.
No.
Okay.
Your case me na my.
All right. And odi ko hin him. Local stories be brave them say.
Ejinu nsemo ho. Nsemo ho pa. Nsemo ho.
Jian komra na. Sa nsemo nyina no fatu edwane mo ana na wotata de adana pese wo hye.
Oh, minim se bibia timesi na metoto a. Me madam fu.
Enna tade a wo hye ya. Eye me fra na me kikem na ofri ni fri.
Sa se meto.
Sa se ho.
Anya no kure. We hu so da. Obi anka so kyerɛw. Me madam fu bi onye sika pa.
Ni bo.
Onye sika pa. Ondi sika no. Owuye. No fasi bi. Odi sika nya no odi na tem kwasia. Nti wala we ndi sika.
Go boy de bia.
Me mbese beto ata meshe.
Yeah, okay.
Aha. No mi wuko obi amefa je
so oto no nyina no ni utua kanya na achi gina ho.
Mene na bibia, mene na negotiations na.
Okay.
But achi on my figure. Achi will never.
The shock what you say oto ya at least kasi.
Let's see.
Kasi.
Missy.
Nanka. We almost.
Achi will never tell you. Oh boy.
What do you go?
Wow. Then Fabian Joe Laka.
Yeah, Masom na Saint Michael Asafo.
Yeah, Saint Michael. Yes,
Saint Michael. Ne mami akembe 1 year na adu.
1 year na adu.
But when you corona in nsema wudo bebre. Basela na beba so. Ai. Obaye kakra ewo eye aswame. Ne mami no deaconess. Deaconess Theresa Amwakwa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ta friend Auntie Ama Ketwa. Nti beba so ewo
Saint Michael
was 2nd May then May na
2nd
August sorry
2nd August 2nd August
Ekwesiada
first Saturday
okay nti eno so beba so na yenko
jeno na wana na to so no na enye no fio
dem dey choose Joel family
okay
Joel family no ai.
Oh, okay.
No, wasisa yeah. You person try.
Joe Family, first person no try straight.
Oh, okay. About within time no.
The same time.
No money say
054 592 0670. Where footballer na?
Are they?
The footballer picture na to me.
Oh.
Confused, mommy.
Oh, okay. But we name. Confused Become Chelsea no. Confused. Oh, okay.
Tell me
sir. What match azumu in final or yenhwe. Yenhwe no. Atobra yentem. We dey try no.
I will try.
Oh, okay. So we don't make us disqualify no.
Why?
Around you try.
Disqualification bit my.
So we won't disqualify.
Bit my baby.
And it's all disqualify.
Zito nkan dia.
Zito in circle.
Zito dey na edma. Zito ya da for.
Oh, okay. Anthony try. 054
okay
5920670.
Okay, famano.
Grab here. Na you confused na.
No be in the picture.
In the picture as well.
Okay. You are right.
I big mistake.
Okay.
And so I don't know me nwane nko bia. Ade nyanwe first session no me pato trase. Alaji nwe ya untimi and sorry kosa and na kofi ka kire wo say atare no ta sikakra oh na nema ne free mu say about COVID time is zakra no untimi tatare na o shesa ni pa na mo aro hu bi shenchen ma
but no he's bought my silence until we dey men come be
bought your silence
yes with love.
Bought your silence of love.
Yes.
Okay.
We mean no.
Okay. That's what the pay the once I will buy or be silent. And the papa will back out.
What's it with love? Okay.
Fine.
Okay. So from here. ebi am nya nsan fo no kura metu mu asma obeka
okay
friend so a minim so be fo so mfo minim o ka san chami a minim do person
okay etira so no problem
etira so bio ai be ko
oh sa alajo ba sai ayura ho quickly ya de wa ro de alajo de e pen moment mi kam bia uti na afu kakra that's all
so you say e wo ai fensan idilada woni mumra no
ai intino jise kana man volunteer after idilada
as
what may you
yes of course the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam
so tiefu jise idi twa san we
twa homowere unya ipia
okay
nti yewura zulhijja mu a the first 10 days no
okay
ntimi nyu humi onte saje sala na twem
we be kan koto yi
baba shano
ko alaji nti me ntio idi ada to be unity this we are zero you do as what you do all right
that is the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam
malama akasefo na munyi na tie abin na be great me tro pa anti o de yonkoso anyway
sejo
no me njo tinye me se yonkoso yonko ego
na china so so kra muni bia so se chan na ye event say D-Day no China D-Day nti ram bia be fa akonchi ni nyina kan hye no sejo me ko has board no me
China fasting
the China kra muni bia be fasting but enye wajib sunna China ne arfa
okay
China ne arfa day the ninth yonkoso Zulhijja
Matias yonkoso
sejo no board no ye meeting say be kan ha owura Africaness in the report to come out mo kopo bi ma ne owura alaja kambi dom ko hunu no horo omode e ho report e come out board no na board na ni agi adwuma owura Kofi Agyei contractor no adwuma so a wo ye no hono omoni agi ho papa say e de man no bosumi kin sin she da ma e so adwuma no wo ye kwagiri papa board na ni agi ho afeso no ye the committee bia na omse omunya hwehwemu ye assistant coach ne ye pedo we kwa ras omu sone so a be nipa mienu coach Christian Loko ena hese odamte no board na ji atum se sai nipa mienu no omu ji atum ti emu ba kon beko akoye assistant odum na ba koso kwa ras board no so agi atum sejo mame ko sabi akrofrom tuto sport was asante kotoko 12 disciples will deliver asma sabe Kofi tuto sport na no say Kofi sabe Kofi good morning also aka no say asante koto esuafo dumi no ka kwa say one member kinton dumi no they will deliver sejo tentem so mame ko abriye was say Victorion Adibayo the Antalese the Nigerian la travailler du Domac Somasote la Cor Koukouye de Madje Soir c'est tout moi en paix Sejo Adibayo our boy Allies Ngofona tonedi Allies for no sa player na obekara Timbi Bakra Sports Stadium so omo do mu ma ba ho omo bo match wie ya no supporters ni chance Kotoko had a moko to gudu na yino na ba Kotoko Adibayo Kotoko Adibayo no supporters ni puse wo be television bia na ho no Kotoko Adibayo na Kofona tone di je o kan abriye kwa se ho a wo se ha se fo sanka
ko se me mama wana
wo bo aka be sa ti
fo no so time no be sa dia me fa ho
ti fo no so Omokunedi. Ti people na say, me sanka so sanka ko siko. Say the people no kan. As sanka so sanka ko siko. Say the people no kan abriye. Sejo, we ye Buntuko Express. Was la Dwarfs de la Cape Coast de Maragité pour la son lema tout de quoi c'est tout bonda consista au primo monsieur. Sejo was if Abusua Dwarfs. But two guys were saying who more and say Bushra was played back 5. kofa kodo bi se omo de beko eposo kodo ne atwere gunche mu ekomo ya na management team from say hey madam for na day samukwa moyi mu de omo se beko 5 months mu ntua eka kodo ne atwere gunche mu ekomo ya to mo so mo de beko na omo akwa yi na ma beton no mo so nya bia ga mo haufa sa na pipa no ka sejo de bi twato Posé l'encomois dans la cité, bonsoir mité, concorde la main, après moi, furka là-bas. C'est tout. Pierre qu'on a bédi, aussi tu peux pas obéir. Bien aimé, je sois bien à sa pétin. Aussi Tim qui toi bon craint. Tim qui toi bon craint. Ne pas se faire ou bien au Ghana. Tout le monde s'est monté à place Sénéca. C'est juste ça, ne peut pas nous.
Ah, c'est pas une bonne bakwa. Team Chrono Penny Bakwa.
Was it Tim Kito one crying?
Mr. Team Chrono Penny Bakwa.
Okay, I
can't bass a festival be out.
So, a private
players, Nicaro.
Tony Cross, what you mean that to some mean one more team need you had there.
Okay.
And so Tony Biana Tony betting me the
bus. More Penny be as we did.
Tony betting me the bus is number.
Okay.
This was the bar. Where Tim Kito and Yakasi, I won't cry. Was in the bus, a fetcher will be a bus.
Okay.
But come and say back place emphasis say a team could turn a because I have Tony Koibasi, no Team Cassidy on canvas. Not that Samaba.
Some home cry, just say, go for the bus. Your Timbo, he has here also. Okakwase am say akwa bokoto godin 2 buses bo ase
2 months
Sati muna won cry no 2 months untia mo press ka okakwase also abakuru mu aso a okakwase ni ntwa so kotoko 2 months so also untia the place ka has it almost has din sana mo pano ka
okay kotoko 2 months untia the place
2 months also untia place ka na sati muna won cry no ketwa no the bus fetch will be also 2 months until Biaka. Has it then the Akonko my Sana Pipanuka?
No,
Otokashem, them no own to your place.
Otokashem, and a German.
Also, Kotoko 2 months own to your place.
Also 2 months, Sana Pipanuka.
Okay.
Here, gonna be in a report to you, and was it has it then since you a cherry once and beba. So has the car, Pipanabeka, Sana Pipanuka.
I see. Ayo.
Like I'm a people one jail has. What else we try?
I won't tell.
No, then you see Tim Kito one cry and the Kotoko. Oh, na no kasa Tony and Bob Bass from a car. Na Manet was all the emphasis Tim Kito. Go Tony Bob Bass, one car bass. No, so
oh, okay. I didn't know Tim Kito is. Oh, you know the house got to Zasma.
Oh, 18 young car bass, but 200 and some from us.
Then the empower to
you, Yati.
You say, Inedi.
That's why I was able to go the players got 2 months in there. I said, okay, you much. Na Yabeke Kesben 3.3 live on Kesben television. Ubia wa hasanamdi kaka no. Kufia champo wachi ewa ha. Franco Naro ha. Andy Kem enso ewa ha. Sanso and a Newton Latte. Anonso ewa ha. Na manfo asha say the mean ene Wednesday I didn't know questions. I said I'm probably almost some of the questions in Bremu. No more I don't know. Obi Epe, Jadon Sancho, the profile growth in the Bundesliga and how he will fit into the United setup. And number 2, Bayern / Chelsea key tactical highlight on Alphonso Davies. His game model, blah 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 blah. Hey, Ebe please let Andy and Newton do justice to this for me. Kokupomi Asankragwa. Wow. Yasebu. This will be an absolute the Muslim buy and come by you. Now, every day.
Omunankasabe decide.
Yeah, don't be so weird.
Am I? Never surprised. Because the questions, for instance, first and then there's 5 people. Omuna ask the question differently. Just not there for them to go through some money. Not as the question about Kufi, Kumasi about Widi, the days about Barcelona, Widi is about Chelsea, Widi is about Arsenal, Widi.
Like of SMP. Tomorrow, one to be.
From every day they will tell us what others I think that would be more smoother.
Okay. And you know, Aya Hajia Aya Boachi Dankwa Hospital also the buy about Joe. Joe, and how are you and your pundit? Please ask Newton this question for me. How did the Liverpool team come back to win over FC Barcelona after losing the first leg in the 2018-2019 Champions League? Is there anything special behind their win? Thank you and regards to you all. Aya Boachidankwa Hospital Hajia Ona Osudi by okay. Ba kwa na mienu bi ombe selected time nusa na ma ye hodman krankra e de ama ye. All right. Me kwa basisia na fi ye de obia nsam no abetu de me kunti a hosre chale boy careful kakra o
wa efene
o bo anya ndi na hosre
de wa efe pa
na obi wa e ofa e sire tutututu
me ti se o kameka na wasem me medical ka ti wiki dada se na obi twa ka na wushi asa radio me se me na o konvisan ho post office o
usa me hose e bo so je
man de engine no man
na post office o kwa be de ma ye di ko speed o
mi sa o gra na wo sre
mi
we man de engine
mi sa ho na gra mi za na wo
ye kwa ba ngora mi enu bi no mi koro mu o mu ka ne ka no mu gina ho no mu je chinye ena ba ko se black ba ko se de be ash ena ba ai ena o mu ba animu no na kala no animu de na sisa afi nche mu se no ai asisa bonnet ne kra nya ka no bonnet o de bonnet bu fu
kano
misi narrow na wa hai wo de be kwaba na ya ka fasa ai me ka ai uja for car bonnet and car na bonnet
oh we have different one of that
so they just
because face the danger
and so oh
and the money happening
colors there be 8 car back ade
madam for be say o starting it me tun ko ade asem ni
on dey abo ama na boss
the a free or binim say among 4 questions on the buy no bit my be one adwuma yes ade yen hwe the opposite room na
well Sergio yeah kakra na Newton did the video mo maba
oh okay
okay the issue side of it and the side attraction and why United should go in for Jadon Sancho.
Okay. I
miss his positional sense and in terms of arrangement, no so ya baby obejina na Newton the video na ba besoso.
Okay.
Well, Sergio, Madam for Bra Johnny or send sister in a birthday, Sandra Tufo or KNUST to wishing a happy birthday. Manchester United or market and they are looking for a right winger. No more their barber shirt, baby a brandy a Mason Greenwood, Adriano, and baby this season what bought a dear mom. So the social Mason Greenwood near my wire dear Manchester United this particular season in 1,773 minutes or about dear mom in the social Europa Cup and the English Premier League now. Was set 10 goals in the Premier League and 5 goals in the Europa Cup. It is a share. This season goals or dear Manchester United at 15 goals. So far no as a player now for the age 18 years now when you're now they are compare the Premier League, the Spanish La Liga, now they are compare the German Bundesliga. No young players are almost around that age from 20 years 18 years no actually said numbers when you're dear Manchester United any of these players at Mianyana. So come Madrid almost two young exciting young guys are almost the academy in Rodrigo de Goes and Vinicius Junior. So okay 2 players new goals so much this season Diama Real Madrid said you omu nuru abranti ayefeni Mason Greenwood. So okay Barcelona omu Ansu Fati. So she ni goals so washe Diama Barcelona in the Champions League and the Spanish La Liga na okabuma 8 goals. So by English Premier League ma Arsenal for Bukayo Saka omu abranti ayefeni Warlock and any of these 2 players so okay performance and other statistics omu Diama Arsenal in this particular season and ya dey say do abranti efeno Greenwood even Messi Monta obi I believe say Lampard etimi aboa na man the game no etimi rise to a certain level no so we checking the statistics there's no way abetim did the 7 goals a washe e dey Chelsea no atoto abranti efeno Mason Greenwood it is we share young exciting players omwo Europe this particular season abranti efeno Mason Greenwood and as a Joe what do any better no so and as obeyi ne said ni modebo no etimi akonkan pa position our body Manchester United here baby a friend number 7 that is an inside forward. And I say, per the tactical disposition, obetimi aka say number 7. Say Joe, after Cristiano Ronaldo free Manchester United, that position your position United are trust certain players in BBB. So you say Henrik Mkhitaryan, Juan Manuel Mata, Memphis Depay, Fabian Angel Di Maria, Antonio Valencia. Now Babeshe Abrantia, your friend Henrik Mkhitaryan, so also a part of that particular line. Rashford Abohoda, Daniel James Abohoda, Alexis Alejandro Sanchez. These are so you will say Sanchez, now you will say Angel Di Maria. These are established internationals. Can we expect to say don't go to our position now? Say you and come betting me about abonye. But so ocean numbers are missing glued. At the Manchester United team now. Say you none of these players net me at the same numbers in Ibidiama. Not even Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo by Manchester United no as a right winger. Say you or spending 4 seasons and turn ultimate double figure for Manchester United. So one man no matter. About Manchester United 7 seasons ni on team a double numbers for Manchester United. So she will be the same nania or spending 8 seasons for Manchester United. On team and one team and fast a double figures no am Manchester United. Any of these 2 players are a bomb through the ranks. No, none of them. And I should you team double figures for Manchester United. All the seasons on team spending here. So she masha it taking 3 seasons and san otimi ama double figures. So she brand here friend Rashford are taking 4 seasons and san otimi ama double figures. And it's all she is in Gruda. He has performed incredibly well for the Manchester United setup. And yeah, normal to see an English boy what sir antes no that flex no or yes so elegant and stylish in terms of appearance. Otimi improvising within a close range. It is our result in Manchester United. Until we United supporter and I so follow United closely. People say, a dear Nama Brantia Feno, Jenan Sancho, Manchester United, any dinner baby, sir, because on so bad that whole and a United supporters no more faithful, no believe we say a honor or bar, say you or Babi Sia can I say, oh Babeshe, Adiama, Manchester United already. His level of inconsistent performance or the amount be beer and just so more the poster boy for the Manchester United are Ebefa. But so you will say Jadon Sancho. Say you. So she number this particular season. What's your name 10 goals and why 18 assists for Borussia Dortmund? And only numbers or deba. And so we check here. We learn a message in China. The only player who checking the goal involvement or bro Abranti FN Jadon Sancho no. Hey Abranti FN Kevin De Bruyne and Kwa. Not even Neymar da Silva Jr. who has all the quality to be an enough creative spark for any team. And Jadon Sancho numbers or debano within the United setup obiani or the biba. Again, he is coming for the number 7 this year. Adawa omunyo obiam faman. Moreover, so the marketing aspect of the United team. Ewomuse or a Nike boy, and Manchester United is being sponsored by Adidas. Until Paul Pogba already is the face of the United team in terms of the key sponsorship at the moment. Until Pogba and Adidas for the face of the team. But in turn, another Nike boy. In Bruno Fernandes, Ababe overtaking Abranti IFN Paul Pogba in the United setup. And Jadon Sancho bad here, but the England for who say they are big boy. I could prove who in the German Bundesliga. So you say, how many English internationals and me too quite free or chrome echo different country or coco performing. You will say Michael Owen, I know a Ballon d'Or winner. All the way to Real Madrid when team established and he failed woefully. You will say Joe Hart as an English goalkeeper, no number 1 the mom and move to Torino. Or quite when you be crying no back. And for you to have a young boy of 20 years
because of coaches of course Spanish La Liga. Okay, trust.
Sergio, and this is a young boy. What proven who in the German Bundesliga. That seemed to defend so deep and that seemed to be so tactically aptitude and omuyobia in terms of discipline in defense, on which is so team here, and it is one thing that is exceptional about the German game. But Abranti team have proven who within the ranks. Okay. So Sanchez Jadon Sancho be for the bragging right, or a Manchester City connected into within the blue side of Manchester, omo betim di asere omo say omo boy omo chance yes omo tete no okọ ba bi ko prove no ho no instead say na nko omo gidi so omo betim di na back to the fold or the other side of the Manchester United team, that is the red side. And for the marketing purpose, for being a poster boy and for a bragging right, United are going in for Jadon Sancho and say Sergio, in terms of personality, in terms of entertainment.
In Australia, and I'm in Austria pre-season, and I'm in any will be doing como. No, catch your Austria on Debbie. Okay. On BT Sports, he in the Manchester United team. So daily now he was giving me update. No, catch him said the United fraternity. No, there was so much confidence in Mason Greenwood, and watching now. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer Beckham said the entire team no player or your best finisher. Mason Greenwood. Okay. It in the goals and in the statistics not the Bema. But I even think that in terms of the total contribution to the game, no, I think that Vinicius Junior finishing Mason Greenwood, but Vinicius Madio Moyen and Nansa Greenwood games be bones were freezy 18-year-old boy. And he said, compete well in Premier League, in FA Cup, in the Champions League there. Then untumin for rain and share Daniel James, enemies in Greenwood. I think that Jadon Sancho is an upgrade on all those two guys. Mata, Man U right wing, you know, Mata, Mason Greenwood, and then Daniel James. And I think he's more of an upgrade on all of them. One good thing about Sancho is or more only the right wing, a number of times he can also deliver on the left wing for you. So for me, I think or an upgrade on those United being here. Another thing is so about Nampa. Me, I don't think United because about a baby poster boy. If Pogba extends his contract and is ready to give his all, it's difficult for anybody to say this boy. Fine, poster boy and Shadanka, but the cost will team no munim and it will still be Pogba when he's renewed his contract and everything. 7 days in Asa Quayas and Fufra, almost Omrame Fanche, only Manchester Krumonum. Okay. A Honunyan, even though he's a London boy, you know, he grew up in Chelsea area and or call Manchester City for academy, just like Ryan Giggs, City for Kofa and free wheels by United for Jane. Maybe it will be a similar thing this time around, not from the youth side, but senior level.
I'm running the second one now with the Bayern, Chelsea Bayern, Alfonso Davies, key tactical, blah blah blah. Time, no, I don't know. Okay. I have been 5 minutes with you. 5 minutes.
But what they just did, even Andy giving out the statistics and how our boy an ability normal, and from what Newton I know, and no Manchester scout no you so no more representation Manchester in technical player. You have to do those here, prepare those on the players. No actually almost say okay or start if you a coin a child say. And yes, the ball into a pimp. Our start to baby and no development or improve. We quite sure say there's room for improvement. They did the same thing on Cristiano Ronaldo. No more said there's room for improvement. The Manchester United had to hire a skill development coach. Man say, yeah, skill no, but skill no, and you're so prepared for on the field. Uti Andy, I'll say Cristiano Ronaldo. Near initial seasons, no to mean reaching double numbers. But in the year, count goals was as usual, and no more number of goals was as usual. Ronaldo count. Okay. No thanks to dear those are not people Ronaldo no moon baby bit may improve. And so they employed somebody to work on him for him to get to level now. So a Jumana umuto for thousands of pounds no no. And then they
simple.
Yes, they prepare these things, those years on way. Actually, okay, year 1, then year 2, then year 3, then you see some trend. What does it say?
All starting at our level, you do see no level.
Then we see and so people have been working on him. It tells you say probably and Kenya Dortmund or some other team, maybe I could do this level because they have worked on him because normal no process from the initial stages. It means no be what or the account. So omuna I said I work on him and the rules and to say Kofani Brawa also areas now where to work on for you to gain something or be improve or
all right, may you call for me commercials? I think I am
maybe a bit here, a bit 1 minute, Andre Jordan, are you?
Oh, you can say local stories and the D kind local stories. Yeah, but Jordan Adia, why a season with I'm saying. Esunye papa na enra me nyonko ba ko kofi tuta korula I'm saying no copper out for pepper out
sending a common car
or
system no
especially Toyota or Tony man keys too okay less than 1 week omo be fako
obi akoboki ni bia be
na unim almost suspect omo ton one no say this time omo yen say original key dan kasa no omo va ma Ombe said I hear bizarre mabo fufuro. Yes. The new year barno. To what boss pay no two. It is umboki na unse original pa. No ma pay control remote. Among baby. Nti yem say buy ya papa.
Ano pay me
ko parking wo kwada so e haruma less than 1 week. Omo to man no suspect wo so man be fa kan ko.
No CCTV or
no, CCTV. GX 212420.
Oh, what's your register?
GX 212420.
Let's register in 10 days.
Very careful. Original FS key. Fast.
People conform Emma conform.
We a silver color. Well, I don't want to baby grace. But I'm not
what you have for radio station.
Now, office on the no and this is here.
So, I'm called just baby. No, okay,
GX 2124. 212420. Yeah.
Okay.
And also, no. All right. Yeah, twaso. Now, my messages, my message, I cry with me. I am what mano. A banner. The who Makala Baby, they were high. Makala Baby. Georgia Mako and Nachi have been saying the FA are the ones who fund the juvenile teams for months before the ministry even comes in later. I'm being curious on this. Who funds the food they eat at their camping? Is it the FA or the government? Per my investigations, please, do you know Auntie Alice, the chef for our national teams, went to the sports ministry yesterday to demand for money for food items prior to the women's national team camping. The big question is, why didn't she go to the FA, but rather the ministry? Also, what's delaying the FA from presenting the national team's budget to the government? Interesting times ahead. Michael Ababio and Wama Yensa Akanwe. Mamenko Akumadan. Namenko DD Eho Akumadan Senior High School. I've heard some people criticizing Yusuf Chipsa for breaking into details the contract benefit between Kotoko and Strike on Air. However, I disagree with those people because Chipsa didn't just wake up to speak without a cause. He needed to stop a seeming propaganda against his hard-won brand. Okay, Chipsa extremely knows the club is up against, and after his needful explanations, any conscious fan can determine for himself whether Asante Kotoko deservedly benefited from the deal or not. But no club is ever independent, so the mutual relationship between the clubs and their sponsors must not be underestimated. Finally, Kumasi Asante Kotoko board chairman Professor Kwame Chei must know that he's not running Asante Kotoko alone this time round. So he should consider the interests of his colleagues and call his co-opted management members to order now. If not, a new cooking pot doesn't necessarily add any taste to an old soup. Then until we especially the last part, then what is Obiakoke and then what is Obiakoke and the also on running club alone. My further explanation and Didi because a board discussion. Young Comrana, come Mickey at the local stories in my brain.
Review or don't just
Mickey, yeah.
Majana now I'm Nasir. Nana Safo Ajima or Tosumi. I don't see people so him.
Okay.
I'm on bed when you're 80 years.
Oh, yes.
80 years.
Yeah.
So when you know Naman Kwana, Yakosta Bamana, so one young Nanaji in Babana, Naman Kabemo. Do so, Miss By one house no man kwa obuasi. Ojine ni baba na man kwa be mobo.
Obemo.
Ai no be mobo. Just say to me, oh wa na nana. Eja. Nana safaji mo to so mienu. No when fi 8 year do watch. Yes. I mean, you could bomb Paris in Yakupon be to commit me Rusa. No be mo memory. Rusa na teta.
Na man ho dey my. All right. Hey Newton, wa ma me ho aba no pay. I also recommend you to Ole. What? Very, very soon he'll be a Kubolo like Achi because his jobs will be chow. Salau Maxima.
Salau,
all right. Newton, is it true? So also be a Kubolo, ain't you?
Yeah, sure.
Sure, be a Kubolo.
Yeah, and
so now, no, and now the non come. Your poor heart to clocker. Check, I was
all right. Semreno ebeso kwa miki mamra ho na me hwede wababwa no e de ebre ye
de no me chef se Franco Naro
asenze
o se me chiano me man fans
Naro ya na ninu bia na
se Franco Naro
o chiano
me chiano
trasole
Ghana Football Association.
Bien, my problems ya bema. Ni pas fort via ba Congo.
Ni pas fort.
Chonama.
Ni ma uche ba fort via likely say ba Congo ne 1 2 yes anyway 4 yeah 4
Tibako
me dem in Gahon. Hey. Montre osu de ozuko yi. Na osu me transfer ozuko.
Somalia and Ghana.
Germany. Yego.
You know Ghana Football Association no me da betu just say there Thursday 27th of August Congress ebekoso. Eno ne krata wo me de aba. Wo ma sanso da betu just sabre Ghana Football Association and STC aqua agreement and as a partnership. Na sa partnership yi wo me famu 50% of referees no wo musika wo me be fa and as a transportation no STC for ebe famu 50% and when she say efri wo muso asoye enso aba. General yanko Kumasi Asante Kotoko asoye enwa Dr. Kwame Che when a board chairman ba Kumasi Asante Kotoko okushia aye the chief of staff of Mensia on behalf of the board editunenim se sabre board no e decide say Nana Yaw amponsa ana bomo di dwumedie no amano asio ena chief of staff enso de tunenim say okay yate nti je ho no di sabre de dey se dey nim no ene ehu de development a ebebem nemum board ne e de wo me na koto chief of staff enim so mu hia o ma fa Nana Yaw amponsa
board na take decision
on Nana Yaw amponsa nti say ye the development a eno so ebetimi abem e de afa ho January ye to so dia Kumasi Asante Kotoko say yemfa ntudwa say IMT no Kotoko contract ahodo a ewo ho nyina no wo mu review IMT no a review Kotoko contracts a ewo ho nyina say wo ma hyase a wo mu review contract nyina from Gwal MTN bibia ho bia no wo ma hyase a review sa contract no nyina say so ewo Kumasi Asante Kotoko adakojache dwumedie no wo mu gusu a edi ne ntentem so wo mu adwi park ne so asabre wo ma hyase enso ehwe sempo no pitch ne so nyama betima konkan edi amomeno a coach Maso Konadu ensu tu anamon etimi koshia Alhaji Lamin womukoshia na womukoshia Alhaji Lamin no ene coach Maso Konadu no womuhwe sede be ya players awodo enso betimi aba amanyama etima besia kan na say players o meba ana players a womuso bekono womu to adwene enso edefa ho eno ne nsem a etimi aba betodwa enso ebo ho game changer say reconciliation and it is to say all football administrators any football mpanyifo a womo akonya womo hyase contact yo mo medikan ene owura George akwesi free akoye meeting say sabre ono so awoso ba on board no beboa serebia football fo nyina no ebe kan boma wo metima ma eye club no enso etime tumpon eno ne nsem afri wo mo so aso ye ho eba Premier League clubs no wo ma consulting eye as for Totoku ade ato nanim se regulations na ye di ball league no wo mo gidi se baby omu a nyama no enkoye emfa ma clubs no eno nti on advise clubs no se de bia next congress no wo mo kwa wo muso betimi akọ resistance insam no enso congress ase ntimi ka se clubs na contact as for Totoku so wo ombo omo se da bia eyesa part na wo mjidi se nkoye no wo metimi ene omo so akasa de fa na congress a wo metimi tu wana mo Richard Sajimai se medicals a wo meyeye e wo Ashgold room wo gidi se ekoyie papa na e wasa abra no brebia no mpanyifo timi makwan no mtimi medicals bisa Joe yentie Richard Osei Ajimai kakra.
I prepare for normal injury how players when you need normal mechanism medicals be a team here. I will say you work out for confirmation see anything a man penny for team frame players need be you know
na echo saying who saying
oh they are very nice so share your corner normally first near kubum my say no me corner group 6 na 5 6 na 5 I can say this one and very good.
Weye nsemo Richard Osei Ajimai wono so ede atudwa enso ewo ho se sabredo gidi se medicals no ekoyie panti mpanyifo ntoso na January wo mo enye sa amfamombo Hazabok January pobiman se omu komenim papa wo mu komenim e pobiman o hwe level asese o maduru a na se nche bia no betu anwuna na gum na foundation ma flow so na fie sisi pillars a na ye toaso na has pobiman no enso nyema ekuye ejamom ti level a wo maduru enso ewo pobiman enso no January imboso no yemfensia.
All right. Now after Emmanuel from Pong CEO Ashgold
Imam Fenache
can person find out if Sheffield latest on Sheffield okay then Ashgold omo ASC omo next step saying or come plans on yeah omo no edin komo and I say omo ejana chiri no makomonim okay whatever nti pacho ma mama my and Claire no my all right now mami mra ho na fi yemfe efi nsema so kakra
yeah Sergio mami sha sim free Hasselhoff. I think that Hasselhoff is doing something very very important and so be a support yomo. First of all Oshe recruitment omuye ansana season ko area outimze they are beefing up their playing body. Problem back one me kind of time and again has omu technical team no. Say obeka say team kesiese na niodum kwa head coach no assistant obi ani nachi. Oshe the other competitors especially odene to Asante Kotoko the component of Kotoko technical team now team ze new duma dwuma na wono so no so ye pa ene o makwa kofa Ure FN Hesi Odamte former Hasselhoff player he's a true and true Phobian
okay no Hesi Odamte yeah Hasselhoff ene Asante Kotoko on ball Kumasi Sports Stadium Hasselhoff Ese Kotoko 3-0
yeah
our Pukuntin quantity nina 3 no yeah Hesi Odamte and a share 4th goal my heart my match there 4-3 Kumasi
so omu share 3 no Pukunti betiti
3 nina quantity yeah na ni tio di ball no koto net no yeah a chain and shot and wo mu no
a true legend of the club has come on board and I'm so happy
Hesi Odamte yes I'm
so happy for him. And no, he's not coming because he be a former player. He's a CAF license A holder. Into name po say Niodum Eniho on paper he qualifies to head the team as a head coach, and I think it's a very good move and has to from paying for Nayan. And they are building the playing body, building the technical team and infrastructures and also or more build it. Hasselhoff board and name management no Sergio they are working so hard and I think say as a boom but my dream say Hesi Echino they still need to beef up because in the modern trend you know we hear a number of other people on board especially in the technical team who are the scouts, and then we need a scout or best scouting players for recruitment, and scout or best scouting opponent, opposition scout. All these things now be a modern trend. I think a club like us, apart from Zoma appointed Hesi or Damte as an assistant coach, if they can go there and so and also you are there, my dream say Ebeboa. Maybe Kwame Miki issue wrong word. I don't know. Say game changer for say reconciliation. Normally, say my understanding of reconciliation is a tanya bedamontem. Interfere ye beka ye ho abom. I thought all along football people have been won. Yes, there was an election, and the way Macau happens there, the history of this country, an election towards GFC a keenly contested to the extent that contestants echo around the country will be in the campaign near the as if they are national elections. And yes, there was serious competition and all that. But then he said the current FA chairman, as a president, Ket HD is a brace kakrebia bibem into who be here some reconciliation. Fine. Somebody will be quick to say, why now? When 4 August is at the corner? Maybe reconciliation and start after 4 August. 4 August, may come because 4 August, more or less, and a bit confirm say, Mr. Keto Kreku, or didn't 4-year terms in every. And now say, about 12 for Bebasso. Because cast of work actually say 4 August. And as some of the Nimua and Ninano, a cook will say about a better for an iron ton of fufro. But maybe they have started reconciling people. Once again, Macau happens that statement say, win elections now country, win elections now fa enemies Emma Maye Jumano. It didn't go down well with a lot of people. The explanations that were given to it, now my dream senka in year more either say kaket maybe be more bechirim say this is not what he meant. He used it in a particular context or whatever. But say kamumu dia say you and no idea will be happy. And no dia kabumu dia is something will be a in yankabumu ebeboa. So if they would want to do a reconciliation, why not? I for me felt say and Kanya DB a big candidate say a reconciliation, but it be on personal levels and a non commodity. So I'm going to say,
okay, all right. Mamma Sanfang and Twas a Shafi Mumuni, Ash Gould striker. I'm say Ash Gould, I boy, and I'm only ready to play for the club. And she almost shared a Kusakusonko. I formation I mean now Ash Gould, I don't know, she's a champion, club owner. And I see you, Ima. Omo dia tu enim say omo share ko se uncle. Onyo player bi o. Just good able move on. Na omo hu de be. I free or to me work club ya ope bi to me kokofa Shafi Momoni. Kofi a champion.
Wait there quickly now oka wadam fu bi o se ni pe bi an Toyota no. Bi abi tu konya de no. Peace Bona or a sports presenter or say
okay
or say cars no be brain we kumase no one of the best if you
wow
no then
the beton or some most of them corona
we silver color pa
one of the best if you on the beton
bakanamba no so
just wrong was a biduru ha
me so
money in the home
okay all right hadwen Kofi champion man no so na fe
okay komna kwa Chairman Ma Asante Kotoko supporters Don Rocky initially Kukua Etiakon or Metro Hospital Cape Coast. Shally your birthday. I still remember those days, until here we show happy birthday. Was gonna happen because you see there's been a lot of difficulties in trying to tie down Shafiu. You cannot blame Ashanti Good.
Okay.
And I know what I'm saying. Want to blame the management.
I didn't hear now.
No, most times when the discussions on the contract, too difficult. Too difficult, and I must be honest. I say because in that time, even a time, there's no contract 2 years. When he wanted to extend, he signed for 1 year with conditions. And sometimes if your focus is to move forward now where we are, Obeka say no. wish so much time on one player when there are tens of them, and so baby we are willing and we are available so be a football no sometimes you would want to player no now, but if the player is want now you
especially the contract
I think that it was always going to happen. Afterwards, I feel on go to community. It was always going to happen, and I like it with we say I'm so much the replacement. That is the most important thing. So, manager, your wish is that in Cobetina with an experience, the captain of the side, and then normal wish is so better. So on now, what do? You swiftly move to try and get somebody to replace him. Even if I can't number with the same quality and numbers, say on no one day. But that's going to happen. Into what do you do? What I say, Joe? Into this one, I'm pretty sure Sasana, Ebekon, how to folk. Maybe some of us too early there, but me didn't tell me there. Yesterday, I sent some pictures legal platform. No, say, is it to be? So I can be one now. One say, just say. To the sense, I say, sebi brothers, I say to be clear, the all kind of
Tony, but man, you had to folk, Pubiman, as at Enra.
Yes.
Pictures and Enna motion or Kesben television, Enra pictures, Pubiman, and a movie.
So,
let's just say, Omonia Brew.
Let's go to my teenity. At least there's something going on.
Yeah.
And that's why I had that much belief. Because you have sat in meetings with him. There was me who papa anyway. I feel them comfort. Just say, did you cry? Say, bet me akoso. But if Oma starting omu Drusia, a just so many a project. What I say, local contract, I can say 93 days on performing wonders. Me, I believe say you cannot perform that wonders in 93 days. But at least the progress of work, and he say, if Omo want the contract, so many ajwa, whom am I? The Macassa many John. What I say? Okay. I don't know what to remember. What am I? So, the contract man, Sandy Nayano, Sasano, no sending the video back home. The contract man, I could progress of work, Omo is so satisfied with the progress of work, and I think the heart of work, they are doing something, and that commendation, saying to me, I commend you, indeed.
And to us,
yes, you must start to say, pace now, Jomodia Jumano, say, pace, look, continues, and in 3 months now, you see something significant, something big, but for you to complete them, you need to say, my complete project is saying, because technical, we can do baby, because you German, or baby man, at Nasi, oh no, and some maybe what matters, I said, but at least we a bit okay with project no corner, and look at us, and you know, temporary structure no matter one uncle phone you can no matter how to vocal so on temporary structure red gold blue white no matter no so I had to focus and I think that is good they inspire other clubs to try and then do something and there club license and normal push I think that a bit Ghana football no media to set
okay chikra cement I ready with you now
full track.
Full track.
Direct. If you track this one, side.
Oh, nice. Nice.
They are working.
Yeah.
They are working, and that is it to me. Yes. If indeed, to be honest with you, Mr. Critical have maintained our name and cancer, but if indeed this is the step, a good thing. Joe, Sebi, me to some new some cry. Let's say, my bound chance say, me and come on, team more. Say,
for cameras and brain,
say, intimidate they are 100% in support. Well, I don't think there's any period. I say the chat for say, so no be one tower, start time there's only in the book. A immediate thing. Me can't see that. Say, if indeed that is the step.
Okay.
What must say? My main fan say, me Joe, me feel some Joe, me need problem, feel some Frank any problem. But Andy saw to our house, you, bar, and Frankie didn't do no cotton, I'm cotton, I'm so okay, the just to let Andy know, said there's nothing. I'll go to Frank. Near 2 and 2 is any day. Why must I wait for another date?
Kofi, there's difference between GFA and Keto Kreku. Is it the GFA embarking on that, or Keto Kreku is embarking?
And I'm saying, to be honest with you, to say the Mickey Keno, he says the president has not discussed this with me, but I'm saying, even if it's a step, he's taking
if you're unaware there, then I assume it's Ket. Because if it is a GFA executive council, you should be in the know.
Mickey never said executive council.
No,
That's what he said.
Ket now as a person.
One can say executive council, to be honest with you. What am I saying? Now I'm saying, sir, whoever a Tibiano, there's nothing wrong with anybody making an attempt to, say there's a seeming tension or differences. When even he believes that there's no difference, let's be believes that there's difference. Let's talk about Monday, side difference now. There's nothing wrong. Peace in the air. Everybody wants peace and tranquility. So the all right. What must I wait for a particular date?
Okay. I know assembly and can we have any assembly. Oh, say assembly or honey say football
cinema bontin is a bit more.
Come over there. Come over there. Any date.
Them can say Kets any Ebia Palmer and George Free. They don't have personal issues. Issues here. Issues here. Yeah, they do it for the cameras. But what I'm saying is that
and it influences people.
Oh yes.
Sergio, Cat ne Palmer any George Free any Nanayam Ponsa. How many issues? Issues somewhere Akunyano. Akunya who assemble. Yabaka ne dasi. Intinka young train.
Pobiman. Wow. Work is fast going on, and thanks to Kesben Sports for always bringing us pictures from the grounds. Hi to Mr. Latif of Infum fans. Pato and this is touchdown.
Now, just before Andy Bebemano, once again, I want to say they are hard to use to buy. Yeah, they are copied. Maybe
yeah.
The Musa say Pato the Minister will tell radio stations in Kumasi. How many of them and they Omakofa pictures of. As at 10 last block two will be mine and you chop pictures by you. So what must say? So now as if say we overly concentrated and I say focus on Asante Kotoko some if I to hook anybody back and then we say maybe Sandy said then I mean can I try to when say how to folk a project and appointment of deputy coach or damn meeting. No, I trust you how to appoint. So if you're in the news, you back.
Yeah. That's it.
I don't know much about his or damn meeting.
Yeah, then I can at least idea about one. You carry Kotoko 4-3 how to folk against how to Kumasia. Okay, until that say has Kotoko 4-3. Na Pokutingo Abesha 3 goals. We in the chef final goal match.
Very good.
The Tinebo Boomer has a shot.
No, they make us a minimum match about me say coach and someone. And it's come to be the deputy coach. Me who do the body bear offer if anything.
All right, and
new dum until
Joe, what Baba Ashai said, it's only for those who have gone on pilgrimage. Such people can only shave their hairs and nails when they have gone to Mina and offered their sacrifice, but not for those who have not gone for Hajj. Okay, in the menu, cleric, Muslim cleric be Eddie Abase, a former Moko Hajj, and yet Ubia Nasemin Team Bumoriano, and yes, Anity. All right. It depends on baby or no or what. Who's a bit more extreme? Wow, yeah. Differences will be yeah. And he, Mamin Tiwe, we among for us and the for us. But I know what money. Okay.
Sergio, yeah. On Hasufu. Me one person I'm a doubt on project from day one. Nina say we hear problem on cut so don't 3 times. Ntina me need so mobile. And this isn't the first time I'm supposed to be here. Later on, over here and she in you. You will have no post to bus, say bus, your baby do the color social media all over. In feedback, could you who bus? And see, when it comes to issues, say how to focus on baby the social media, almost supporters no beard the chair, and I'm very, very careful. Because at the end of it all, Obekon not the criminal. But so here this particular project, so I share baby and has here training from our center to Pobimaya. Definitely no more here an upgrade. Because so share Bobo Kono in few of my DNA or more Bobra. Nasa baby or me training on Nasa Joe and Sam Fata. This is how to folk team or more history when it comes to Arulas. A lot of players are graduating from that particular side. Sergio. In Europe, and I say most of the teams we are seeing now on my academies, produce so much talent, for project, training grounds in Niagara. But so hard to folk Pobimaya at a point, Nimura cried who in Alpha, Nabola cried who in Alpha. And in Penifona choir would say no. On the foot of play, they are not performing. So what check league me and say ya botwe mu a ni nyina ya twetwe mu a on apart from the NC tournament ba kwa etwa mu they were 13th and now we dia no more than 9th NC tournament they were in the semi-finals into performance here nothing to write home about. Okay. And definitely the concentration should be on a project. I bet me I draw the supporters naba. I bet me I draw players are wanting graduated from academy naba because I'm the man for my mobile no why you from the Hearts of Folk team. And he said, "Yo, obey here be beer. A bet me identify team currently. A bet me my team any benyam. A bet me my team about the public domain. Supporters in any budget. The faithful is almost stadium no any budget. So at least their team is coming back or another you are embarking on a certain project. So Joe, with time and again, a bet me a boama bobo kun and him etimi benyam. Inti so Joe, on this particular development, your bubble had to folk penifona about to say, oh mama jumadi no guswana toss on me opu, say enkoka ko em no munchaso. But I because what toss because so Joe currently a dear what had to folk who sell how to folk the project way. The performance is just nothing to write home about. Until hope is almost be focus so no more bosswa dijumano amani metimi yakui. Okay. Now to the assistant coach.
Hesho Dampton.
Yes. Sergio say ha say bobola. Now she bobo ku kakra ka nyina no majade ama coach odumunsa. Now she the performance of the man Hearts of Folk my cast position no. Sergio now the 9th on the league table. Hearts of Folk about 14 matches. Bibia just na ohia assistant coach. And assistant coach is so important. And yet to one every team needs an assistant coach. Especially so bo gamer assistant coach ni obi o tie ah no sa pressure na wo main coach ni so ni bi ni so. Now that tactical plan everything mine with the training grounds or tie no obetimi a draw everything the movement of the players, the disposition of the players, the discipline of the players obetimi a hu bibia and Europe. See, a Premier League ni other leagues na Joe. Ya who say players a cry bema. It is the assistant coaches ne no omu kasa. Eche omu the tactical plan and the variation also omu back to the table. But unfortunately, for Hearts of Folk ne bini and coach odum nye obia. Obekasa odi bobo ko ne sha ne nsa no no nko anya dwuma na obetimi aye. Even Jose Mourinho Redal Luis Faria, ye who how Jose has struggled all over. Into assistant coach is very important. And Hearts of Folk baby omu person omu kono they've not been performing in the last 10 years. So more person on technical bench in year strong. And here's your damn thing, Sergio said now can he was a defender. So checking out of folk defense in the league here, boy, yeah, again, it was nothing to write home about. 14 games, some boy no concede 11 goals. And Obia who are dear Branty FN at the year, Mohamed Alassa, and then Roberto Adusoa. And you know, most of the games, some boy no more defensive shape was questionable. It is only Obia or your former player. He has seen it all. No, but be assistant coach at the training grounds. Do on also be me a boy players na. I'm a chin no more me a boy with a chip. A chin no more me I a discipline. A chin no more me a boy with a plan. Say a bit me a boy more defense no and you bet me a koyi. Inti coach dum enyo bia obeti me aka say league ya yebo no Ghana what train the deal with history books no baby. But I feel say adding an assistant coach to him, Sergio, I feel say it would be perfect for him to perform and how to feel baby or person or kono. Adding assistant coach no beti me abom ye so well.
Shafiu
mini Sergio. Shafiu mini enye ye hu say liebo league na oni had has of as good as struggle pa. Match bi omo boy bi omo change omo striker. At a point Esonu and Bebobi. At a point Webenu Bebobi. At a point Makajekum so ebe boy. And at a point Ubon se Makajekum so far from left. No diabe anymore. And he said, "Yo, so can league na a boy na one team or many moon almost players pa as good." It is because of the absence of Shafiu Momoni. Almost 10 goals a season. But at least of his experience and Obama consistent results on the football play. One man Obama 7 goals, 6 goals a season. For a caliber of Shafiu Momoni and experience in the local game, you expect him to perform more than that, especially with the playmakers around him and the midfield of Hearts of Folk. Pastor Joe, player me baby so was penning for 1 year no muntu anakada. And he said, "Joe, Shafiu so he had a performance at the Wafu tournament. He was the top scorer. Over the years and minimum coach must acquire pen.
And why would Ashgold be paying all other players
and will not
be paying their captain and the leading striker? What I said. But can baby say 1 year no muntia nikada?
No, that's not possible. Washanti go.
That's it.
Maybe another some scafufubi. Maybe I say so. My say salary is
no, any salary. Any salary. No, can't the last one where 1 year signing on fee.
Okay.
Any salary.
Because Asante go no. The practice is that every month all workers a boom and then it's in group players a boom.
Yeah.
Technical boom and then management. So there's no way between obedient, no way to obedient. If it's into your management, no one single management will get salary ahead of the other. Okay. If you're into a technical, no one single technical person will get the salary ahead of the other. We never know. We then just say, oh, a peculiar problem.
Okay.
To answer, as good as two players in our country, there's no way say Shafi will remain here in Trianica. But do you understand?
And yes, I'm not talking about salary. Okay. I'm talking about the signing on fee the last 1 year or so, Montua. And at the point you so to Pine Kusi Echo. Trials crowd Romania. Said you Shafi one striker meaning say top team there Ghana will be a nyanope. And baby he will start. Kodako dinner two over the years and he was the top scorer in the WAF. Again, the experience is not in doubt. Or a one player say unyan we no excellent players around him omo betimi abo. Ama etimi fitting so well that you can get the best out of him. Enti meaning say Kotoko epe Abranti efene Shafi mumuni. Meaning say any of the big teams in and said you and Shafi as a job mope. Say media man Shafi or mope. Say House of Folk and Shafi or mope. And these are teams are almost prove it time and again say they can pay him. And if Kotoko are paying 40,000 for Ibrahim Moro in a season, say you mope team and Shafi money. And if you want to go out to Africa, and I said, so even in the Ghana League, now your top team now he will be betting me amount goals. So Joe, it is so obvious.
Or the Wafre Ashgold CEO CCA and then Nakasa Emmanuel Frimpong Ima and the Asma CEO Ashgold Akache CCA.
I say Wakuf trials 4 times, different countries. Nina go through.
Okay.
And now Moka so many offer man Algeria. No trials uncle. Also an African player into Uncle Algeria.
Sana Shafi catch.
Yes, I know catch management and say one African player into Uncle. Based on that, no many coach need to come on a coach and say, okay, say Sano Candia better off Omunjana life man. And Muntina almost say the last Muntian farmer.
Okay.
The last year no Muntian farmer contract no Ewuno.
I see.
Yes.
Kuveja Boto Rufi Oje, boy.
I am person me dimi fiase.
My list can boy kakra. So ni at least na ekoso.
I am person me go back na me can problem me say na baby me feel. But at least what I can confirm to you and those listening to us say me time go Washanti go. I have a friend whose friend is the coach of Super Sport. I took Shafi to South Africa. Try so. In fact, I don't know now Super Sport for now we had agreed even because through my way say no, the coach of Super Sport had to travel down.
Okay.
Obagana.
Wow.
Mama didn't call Boise Kohel the match. We no only too convinced into Mama Eko South Africa. Lady because say and now you're almost done. Now if you do baby no the superiors no more alternative of player until omo ensign no. Until next over by the man to do trial with another club. I don't know, Echino. I took him to my friend, also to, I think, Qatar. So, okay. I call Qatar for some few days. On a buy. And then latest one days before, and son maybe few also, he was in Hungary.
I see.
So okay. Or call Europe. Or Romania. Romania. Through our friend John Viola Moore, we know more agreements. Okay, as good as some Scottish agent agreement. I think I sound good. I mean, the period we in to be honest, maybe 2 years I'm due, and I think we've been good to Shafi.
Okay.
I mean, Bibiana and we've been good as to player. But sometimes if you are any pull strings to try and get even the offers for him, because this South Africa thing and the Qatar thing was true. Me not for then I told champion okay. Yeah, he would have know what can also.
Wow.
So at least we got 2 years pa na make at least confirming 3 areas what for you playing as good has been good, to be honest, to Sheffield.
Now what might find out say no crazy Kotoko into and players got 2 months. Is it true?
Oh, say it true.
True. 2 months. Oh, how? Escafona Barina.
Oh, say it is the reason why now.
Nana do the Jingwa or Crasset has problems.
Said to me, I think
I know Scafon will be able to count out 2 months into Omoka.
Said you said
unacceptable.
Unacceptable. Say Kabiaba or no alpha.
Unacceptable.
But body by no Sika Kuno Sika so be a 2 bottoms of it. This time only a young 1 man show be a group. And we've heard players complaining. Say because there's no management, they've not been paid for the last 2 months.
Are you very serious?
Yes, I do. Very, very serious. Because players, no, you want it is on the percentage of Omate, and Sikana and so and you've not been paid for 2 months. And it is not an issue of Dr. Kwame, but it is the issue of the board and management.
Okay. As a moment comments on who now time now Sundra. He's coming to Kinfaisa. We are talking to him seriously. Sani Kinfaisa. Is it not possible?
What's it?
Is it not possible, sir? Okay.
Engage Shafiu Mohammed. If you engage Shafiu Mumunia, the focus and the aspirations.
Oh, a bit more market time or a bit more warm or no,
me catch us. Some have had personal contact.
Yesterday, Andy said he was going to comment on the strike issue. Why he thinks that the climate change people are the ones who talk about the strike deal. Michael Abebu. I say, and now my promise and now become as well, but still.
So just some few.
But would they find why? Now, Jordan, are you? One country still.
Yeah, that we said so.
Yeah, by a bassa.
Jordan, so my catch have say first na the debate no and the engineer can once him. Na fifitaki. I say, Kitwa no hono. Ono, Kitwa no hono. Oni Bobo Bruta champion for the I'm say, the day you had the whole world to be able to do.
Said with the and quarter 3 months need to.
I want to a place got 3 months.
Yes. 3 months need to.
And I'm say what time I think.
I said no, I'm my bro. 3 months. Got to continue the place.
3 months.
Not 2 months. Say 2 or 3.
No, said you 3 months. Said you be a testimony. Nipa na testimony. It said they spoke to a player on their show and the player confirmed 3 months.
Wow.
And that's worrying, especially in this COVID time. Yeah, time and I'm saying, sir, why must it happen so? Because you board no makushi, I know for me interim management. And do be at one, and you're supposed to be facilitating this and run a day-to-day activity. It includes paying salaries of the existing players. Yes. To me, I'm surprised, and especially coach Kano. Number 2, when the transition will be so smooth, because the chairman of Kotoko. For yesterday, no the chairman of Kotoko today. The board chairman is still there.
Yeah.
Until process no, new.
Yeah.
Accounting staff for me now. Chairman no, available. And there's some for me management to do be at one as interim CEO, acting CEO, acting general manager. It I think that the process. How much boys no come out, say brothers and you're fine. In this corona time, Jones can work in power. We see. These you are not being paid, especially the salary is being reduced, isn't it?
Yes.
What is the solution
to one amount? When you say a train, Kotoko has been paying salaries with or without CEO. They've been almost function.
Over one person. No problem be no no to meet you be na fear na nipa 12 is kafo.
I think they should do something. I think they should do something.
Same way the ne can edi.
So we come meeting kwa Jesus ka
3 months into our boys nigga.
Yes.
You fancy Ali Baba Dan Kambari brana fe yehu de be na yempeje mu. Mraso say ye dey breaking news no ebre amafo. Na pese uchi bibi na.
Na 29 to.
Day 29 yeah.
FIFA choleta 10 ama.
Ama hoy.
Member associations and confederations na no sending back.
Oh okay. And who can we ana one say?
I say because we let know about 22 pages back also for
okay. All right. Continue some get work. Yeah, this year.
And I cast for
Newton.
When the decision on Manchester City, a good read.
Okay.
93 pages if I'm not wrong. A good read. So can you say some caucus and say quite an judge.
Okay. Ali Baba was in train or my train one me sorry. Newton. Yemfa last one Mawana.
Yeah, Ash Gold, you know. A similar issue to last season Kotokolusu was ahead of Africa. No? Issues on your sporting. Yes, a team here on the bubble.
Not so too bad. You have a question.
Match free here, you know.
Okay. Yeah, crowd, we are the winners. Yes, I share you.